I load these topic videos. Hello there. Me, Cosmic Joe. Chronicles. Now, it's been 7 years. 7 years since we had a snowfall here in Hilltop, Maryland. So it was due. That was really due to have a snowstorm here. This is going out to Facebook, YouTube, and I guess Instagram. Now, years ago, had a neighbor which blamed me for all kinds of stuff that happened here. Was all a lie, fabricated a bunch of stuff. And they dug me in. Y'all dug out the brood and buried me here. So I needed to get the Baltimore County Public Works to take me out. But they didn't do that time. But I gotta call them so they can come down my dead end street to dig the rest of the road out. Now, this is Snowstorm. It's not supposed to end until later on tonight, like 10 o'clock tonight. So this is like almost 11 o'clock in the morning. This is how it looks right now. The snowplow came down to that part of the road and didn't come all the way down to my part of the road. I see my neighbors taking it out early. It's still snowing. I think it's like 5 inches right now on my ramp. I didn't get there's a midi picnic table for the squirrels. I didn't give them the nuts I usually give them. So they're all hold up in their dens. So I was kinda happy to see this snowball. Yeah, I live in one room with space heaters. So the rest of my house is cold. But this doesn't get frigid cold per se here in my house. But I got, because of my sunken kitchen, campus. It's like an obstacle course I gotta go through in order to go to the kitchen. So I thought, got a little refrigerator, I got my can opener, I got a meal every day, as well as can goes on. And so I live like this most of the time. It's not ideal. It's not something I am proud of, but I survived somehow, like I did before. I got my plaid stuff on right now. I got a plaid bathrobe that I put white fringes because I did the last video I did on YouTube. In 2025, I intend to make my story known somehow. These trials, I talked with them a little bit on Facebook. He's working. So, I don't know if he's, and his wife Jax are gonna thinking about I'll be maybe on their show. Well, I don't know if they want me or not, because most people don't want a guy who's permanently disabled